Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, we're gonna get straight into it, man. You can see you got the black box, you got the silver, the chrome Jumpman. Now, all throughout the box, you have like this reptile, snakish pattern. There's a better look at it. All around the box, you have no branding or whatever. So what we have is the Air Jordan correction. What we have is the women's Air Jordan 11 Low. The colorway is white, watermelon, and black. Now these retail for $185. They're releasing on May the 7th, I believe. Now they come wrapped in the white paper. That ain't what we here to see. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the women's Air Jordan 11 Pink Snakeskin. Now, looking at these, okay, first off, I don't wear pink, so that's out. Second of all, this says it's a women's shoe. That's it for me, okay? Now, y'all can rock what y'all want, you know what I'm saying? To each his own, man. You buy what you like, whatever the case is, you know what I'm saying? I just don't do it, you feel me? I don't wear pink, and I don't wear women's shoes, you know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is. Now, when it comes to the shoes, man, now these are nice. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a pair for my daughter, of course. You know, but these are well put together, man. Honestly, I like these better than the blue. Now, my favorite is the grayish or bone, whatever color that is. You know what I'm saying? But let's check these out, man. On the outsole, you see you got the translucent, milky sole with the hits of the watermelon or pink, whatever you call it. As a look from the side. You can see that snake skin wrapped all around the mud guard. As a look from the front. Top of the toe box. I mean, it's dope, man. Now here's your medial side. Now we're gonna take a look at the back. See you have the low cut, small 23, and small Jumpman. Back to the other side. Now let's look at the other shoe, man. Now, everything is the same. There's no difference between these two kicks. So, it is what it is, man. Like I said, this is going to be a quick one. I ain't going to do no on foot. I might double back and get somebody to do the on foot tomorrow. Know what I'm saying? There's a better look at the 23 and the Jumpman. Here's your medial side again. We're going to take it to the front. Top of the toe box. Give you a little close-up look at that. There you go. You see that? Alright. Here's the tag that's on the tongue with your Jumpman and Jordan. Got your fat white rope laces. I mean, it's Air Jordan 11, man. Y'all already familiar with that, man. Now on the insole, you got the pink insole with the black Jumpman. Other than that, man, I mean, it is what it is, man. You know, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Let me know if y'all feeling these or not. It's an easy pass. If you're a dude, you planning on getting your pair, whatever the case is, man. I don't knock nobody for whatever you rock, man. I'm giving you my opinion on it and how I do it, you know what I'm saying? But let me know if y'all feeling these, man. If this is an easy pass, an easy cop, can't wait to get them, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, I like the texture on them, you know, the reptilian texture on the mud guard, you know what I'm saying? I think it's dope. I'm waiting for them to bring the green and black ones back out though, really. But other than that, man, I think it's a dope shoe. It's well put together, man. I don't have no complaints about it. You know, so like I say, let me know in the comments, man, if you're feeling this or not. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, man. Follow us on Instagram at PedalersAv504. And it is what it is, you hear me? I'm gonna let Ben get on up out of here, man, because I got shit to do, you hear me? And that's the business, man. Let me know what y'all think about these. Like I said, these retailing for $185. They releasing on May the 7th, as of right now. You know what I'm saying? So hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us on Instagram, and I'ma holla back.